Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week number 4 to 8. Please do the activities in handwrite. Don't write. Don't copy, please. You have the attention to Monday and Tuesday at 4 p.m. Okay? Do these activities. Classwork number 4. Read a fragment about the origin of marimba. Marimba playing. When we listen the word marimba, a nice and happy day comes to our minds, and we imagine a thing of people from Esmeraldas, of the northern coast of Ecuador. Esmeraldas folklore is manifested in music, dance, and copla. The marimba is one of the most important instruments in the province of Esmeraldas. It's an instrument of 24 keys of different lengths and tones, made of hard chonta. The marimba is an instrument from the percussion family that looks similar to the saxophone, but is larger in size. It's also different than the xylophone because it's higher compass and lower register than the resonators. The wood parts of the marimba are thinner than the wood parts of xylophone. Its origin was in Colombia. There is an evidence it exists since the 18th century. Marimba is also the name of the instrument of guado, sugar cane, used to make music. After reading, you answer the question, put a tick, is true or false. Esmeraldas folklore is manifested in music, dance, and copla. True. It is an instrument for 30 keys of a different length tone and made of hard chonta. False because it's the 24 keys. Marimba looks similar to xylophone but is larger in size. True. There is evidence it existed in 18th century. True. Number 3. Match the vocabulary with the word with the correct definition. Tenemos common one, smile, northern, evidence, sugar cane, and nickname. Vamos a unir. Our nickname is an informal close friends call you. Tenemos sugar cane, that's where the sugars came from. Northern, located in the north. What's sucking my? A sudden thing of something that imagine. In the last, a proof is evidence. Okay. Now you do a homework. You can do a postcard parts. Vamos a ver las partes de una postal. Aquí tenemos message, sender's name, stamp, greeting, recipient's name, and recipient's address. Vamos a unir acá. Number 1, message. Message tenemos, this is recipient's name. Y ponemos aquí recipient's name. This is this is greeting. This is greeting. This is greeting. This is recipient's name. Recipient's name. This is address name. recipient's address, recipient's address, recipient's address. This is a stamp. This is message. Message. And this is a sender's name. Sender's name. ¿Ya? Hemos puesto las partes de una postal. Las partes de una postal tiene engraving, recipient's name, stamp, recipient's address, message, tiene sender's name. ¿Ya? Igual tiene que usted pegar, dibujar, por favor. Activity number 2. You have a friend who lives in Loja and he has never been to Esmeraldas. Write a postcard to him or her, telling her what do you know about the province. One side the postcard, make a drawing or something represents this beautiful province. When you're writing a postcard, start with your friend's name. Use descriptive adjectives to write about here. Esmeraldas province was incredible and beautiful, like en examples. ¿Ya? Vamos a hacer una postal. Usted va a hacer una postal de la provincia de Esmeraldas. ¿Ya? Va a poner aquí en el sellito algo fabuloso de Esmeraldas, va el saludo para su amigo o su amiga, qué mensaje le quiere enviar y la dirección que su amigo o su amiga tiene en Loja. Todo esto se va a inventar, va a dibujar usted la postal, no le estoy mandando ni a comprar, por favor. Eso es todo, chicos, muchas gracias. Por favor, las actividades son a mano. Si usted me manda impreso o imprime la actividad y solo llena, yo le voy a rebajar la puntuación porque las actividades son a mano. Por favor, tiene hasta el día viernes 5 de marzo para que me pueda enviar al correo electrónico. Yo al colegio no recibo por WhatsApp, yo solo le recibo por correo electrónico. Muchas gracias, buenas tardes.